Hello everyone, make a ponytail, stretch it little bit and then fold it upward and fix it with the bun pin. Now tie the hairs on the top like this, or by folding it downwards we'll be making the plaits on it, and again fold it like this upward and fix it with the bun pin, and your bun is ready. Next, we'll be taking the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now after that, divide it from the between and rotate it like this. Now fix it with the bun pin on the top and your hairstyle is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be moving forward to more beautiful hairstyles. So for that, we'll be taking the hairs on the sides like this by making the plaits. Join the ponytail and then rotate it. Now after that, we'll be fixing the plaited hairs into each other and tie it with the rubber band again. Now make the plaits on all the hairs on the downside like this. Now fix it by folding it. By pulling out the hairs from the sides a little bit, will be folded upward and fix it with the bun pin on the top like this. And your hairstyle is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be making a ponytail and then rotate the hairs like this, tie it and then fold the hairs upward and put the rubber band like this. Now make the plaits on the sides and then tie it like this and fix it with the hairpin on the downside and put some designer hair clips over it in the between, and it's done. Next, make a ponytail and fold the hairs upward like this. Now tie it with the rubber band. Now fold the hairs again on the top and fix it with the rubber band. Divide it from the between and rotate it and fold it upward in the between like this using the hairpin. Fix it like this and it's done. Next, moving forward, we'll be tying half of the hairs. Fold it upward and fix it with the hairpin in the between by making a bow-like shape. Now take the hairs from the sides in the small sections and then we'll be rolling it like this and then fold it again on the top and fix it like this. Tie it and fix some designer hair clips and your hairstyle is done. Next, make a ponytail, fold it like this and fix it. Now tie the hairs on the top like this on the sides and make the plaits. Fold it like this and fix it with the hairpin and tie the hairs tightly, and your hairstyle is ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then fix it with the rubber band like this. Tie it and fix the hairs again in the same manner. Keep taking the hairs from the sides in the small sections and keep joining the hairs like this in the back. Take it till the end in the same manner and fix it, and it's done. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it and make a ponytail. Divide it from the between, rotate it and fold it on the top like this. Fix it like this and then fold the hairs upward and put the hairpin to fix the hairs like this. Put a bun pin and your bun is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the hairs in the half like this. Now fold the hairs from the between and put this bun stick to fix it. Now take the hairs from the sides, tie it downward like this again and fix it from the between. Tie it like this and fold it and fix it inside the bun like this, and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, moving forward, we'll be making a ponytail. Fix this bun stick in the between and then tie it tightly like this. Pull it downward and then roll the hairs together upward with the stick. Fold it from the sides like this and fix it on the top by putting the band and the flowery part on the top, and your hairstyle is done. Next, we'll be putting the beautiful bun stick by rolling the hairs. We'll be making the bun, so fix it in the between of the hairs and tie it tightly like this, and your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. You can fix the hairs with the hairpin too like this, and it's done. Next, we'll be taking the hairs from the sides and fix the hair clip first, and then take the hairs from the sides and fix it inside the hair clips like this one by one. So watch these steps carefully and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.